Hi everyone, my name is Mary and welcome back to Quinn Ink. Today I am going to show you, as you see right in front of me, 3 ribbing stitches. The first one is going to be a single crochet back loop only. The second one is going to be a half double crochet back loop only as well. And then we're also going to do a double crochet back loop only. So let's grab our hooks and let's grab our yarns and let me show you how to get this started. So the hook I'm also going to be using is going to be a 5.5 millimeter hook. You can use whatever hook you would like. So I will be right back. I'm going to go grab my yarn. We're going to get started. Okay, so I'm back and I already did a foundation single crochet of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can also do a chain of 5 if you like. So I'm going to talk really quick a little bit about this stitch. So this is a single crochet back loop only, and this is a beautiful stitch, and it's a ribbing stitch, so you can use this in many projects and it will make your project look really beautiful and give it a little bit more depth. This one is called the single crochet back loop only. So in order to start this stitch, it's very easy. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work. Now if we look down here, if I turn my work towards us, we see these V stitches that you see right here. And these V stitches are what we're going to be using. So this front one right here is going to be, of course, your front loop, and then this is going to be your back loop. Normally when we crochet, we go under both loops. Well, in order to do the single crochet back loop, you're just going to go into the back loop, pull up a loop, grab your working yarn, and pull through 2. And that is how easy the single crochet back loop only is going to be. So I'm just going to make it to the end of this row, just like this, and then you can start to see that the ribbing is starting to happen. Now to start row 2, you're just going to chain 1, turn your work, and work into the back loop again, and that's how you get that neat little ribbing effect. I'm just going to make it to the end of the row real quick. And one more. And it's done. And that's all you have to do. And all you're going to be doing is repeating the second row, because I always count the first row as row 1, which is the foundation single crochet that I use. So that is how you do the single crochet back loop only. The next one I'm going to show you how to do is going to be the half double crochet back loop only. So let me grab some more yarn and I'll show you how to do that one. Okay, so I'm back and all I did was foundation single crochet 5. When you do any of the back loops, whether it be single crochet, half double crochet, or double crochet, you can chain or foundation single crochet any number that you desire. Okay, so it's not a specific number, it's not a multiples or anything like that. Okay, so this one is now the half double crochet, and as you can see, it's a little more stretched out, but not as tight as the single crochet back loop only. So this one is going to be the half double crochet back loop only, and again it's just as simple as the single crochet back loop only. Just this time I'm going to chain 1, and then instead of single crocheting, I'm just going to wrap my yarn around my hook, go into the back loop, pull up a loop, grab my working yarn, and pull through all 3 for a half double crochet. And all we're doing is going right into the back loops. And there you go. And that is how you do the half double crochet back loop only. And again, for you to do row 2, you'll just chain 1 and then just go right into the very back loops right here. Okay, so the next one I'm going to show you is going to be the double crochet back loop only. Okay, so I'm back, and this one is now the double crochet back loop only. And as you can see, this one is a lot more stretched out than the half double crochet and the back loop single crochet. And as you can see, each time you do the single crochet, it's tighter. The half double crochet is a little bit more. You can see the stitches, it kind of looks like it's been knitted. And now this is the double crochet, so this one is more stretched out. But it still gives you a ribbing effect, as you can see. And it's really a beautiful stitch. So to do the double crochet, I just did a foundation single crochet of 5. And again, this one is very simple. Just move my camera up a little bit so we can see this. All you're going to do is chain 1, turn your work, wrap your yarn around your hook, go into the back loop, grab your working yarn, pull up a loop, grab your working yarn, pull through 2, grab your working yarn and pull through 2 for a double crochet. And then I will just double crochet across the row, going only into the back loop of the stitch instead of both stitches. And there you are. That is how you do a double crochet back loop only. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a like if you did, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.